everybody, it's phonics time again. Let's learn the letter I today. What sound does I make? Say it with me. I. One more time. I. Are you guys ready to see all the words that have the it sound? What words have the letter I in them? Are you guys ready? There is sit, ill, lip, igloo, and hill. Hill. There is a big hill, and then the little boy and cat is sitting on the hill. Sit. Can you say it with me? Oh, and there is an igloo. Everybody say igloo. And now what do we have? Oh no, somebody is ill. Can you say ill with me? Lip. Great job, everybody. I. Great job. Now you know the sound of the letter I and so many words.